Now you know how to make 3" by 6" flying geese, but what if you want to make a different size? Here's a sheet explaining how to figure out your cutting sizes. So if you have a block that you want to replicate, you'll measure each section, so that's 3 inches across by 1½ inch down. You'll add 1/4 inch seams all the way around. You'll cut one rectangle that's 3½ inches by 2 inches, and then you'll cut 2 squares that are 2 inches by 2 inches. Other times you might have an area of a particular project that you want to fill in with geese, but you're only clear about the width or maybe the height, and you need to figure out the other measurement. For example, I need some geese that are 1 inch tall. To find the width, I need to multiply 1 inch by 2, and I come up with 2 inches. Then I need to add 1/4 inch seams all the way around. I come up with 1½ by 2½. I'll need to cut one rectangle 1½ inches by 2½ inches. Then I need to cut 2 squares the same height as the rectangle, 1½ inches. And that will give me a flying geese unit that is 1½ by 2½ before it's finished, but finished it'll be 1 inch by 2 inch. If I need geese that are 5 inches wide and I'm not sure what the height is, I need to divide this width by 2. The height will be 2½ inches. Then I need to add 1/4 inch seams. So this is 2½ plus 1/4 and another 1/4. The total is 3 inches. Then I need to add 1/4 inch seams to the width, so that would be 1/4 inch plus 5 and another 1/4 inch makes 5½ inches. I'll cut out a rectangle that is 5½ by 3 inches and then 2 3-inch squares. To make a flying geese unit that's 3 inches by 5½ unfinished or 2½ by 5 inch finished. If you'd like to learn another tip for making flying geese, check out our video on assembly line sewing. Thanks for watching. Please click on the like button and share with your friends.